Hey everyone, so Nothing is going to make its debut in the smartphone market with its highly anticipated Nothing Phone 1. The smartphone will see the ray of light on July 12. The device was listed on BIS a few days ago and now it has been spotted on NBTC with A063 model number. The listing doesn't reveal any specifications, but we do know that the smartphone will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC, which is built on TSMC's 4nm node. The SoC is paired with Adreno 662 GPU. So in terms of performance, we won't be disappointed as you will get flagship level experience with Nothing Phone 1. The smartphone is set to feature a transparent design on the back, similar to the company's first ever product, the Nothing Ear 1. Moving to the front of the phone, the Nothing Phone 1 will feature a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90 or 120Hz refresh rate. The display will be surrounded by thin bezels and it is also said to have extremely thin bottom bezel. It will run Android 12 with nothing skin on top. It is also expected to come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The device could get power from a 4500 mAh battery with some sort of fast charging support. The device may carry a price tag of $500. It is being said that the device will be manufactured in India to cut down the price. The smartphone will enter the production stage very soon, so hopefully we'll learn more about the device in the coming days. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.